pretty cold normally, but we got a couple of days of warmth. So I'm gonna pick up some more fiberglass and get at some glassing projects today. So I'm hoping I can get some closets done. And my goal, my cabin sole. So yeah, super happy. These have turned out great. Very solid. And that's done with, I think it's 5 or 6. No, there's 1 layer of, 3 layers of this stuff. The thinner fiberglass. So I did 3 layers of this to tie it in. I don't remember what that is called, the thickness of it. And then I did 5 layers of this cloth here, which is mesh and I think I said biaxial. I'm trying to remember the name, but I'm pretty sure that's what it was called. That's on every one of these here. So yeah. So pretty happy with the way that this turned out. Today we're going to get the floor done. I'm going to go pick up some more fiberglass material, and I'm out of my West Systems epoxy 105, so I'm going to go pick up another tin of that, and then I think I'll be good to be able to complete or tie my floor in here today. That's my goal. Perfect, done. Basically, I just wanted to fill in this little gap here on each one of the floors, so that's basically what I've done all the way down here. And I'm just going to use a little bit of a rag just to smoothen out, or my finger actually in a glove. So I'm just basically going to get rid of smoothing these things out a little bit here. Just so there's no bumps or spikes. Don't really need spikes on anything. Nice rounded edged entry into the cabin table. So now what I want to do is I want to fiberglass the inside as well as the outside, and that's going to really stiffen that up nicely. Close up. That's all for tonight. I'm gonna let that harden. Oh, just checking it out. Everything looks like it hardened up well. This is getting pretty solid. I almost sit on it, I would think. doing the cover now, and I'm going to wrap it down over the sides, and I think I'm done with the top of the shed here, or the captain's table shed. Oh, my head is here today. A little tired. It's slow going, but it's going, which is good. I've got a fair amount to put down here, and my epoxy's in a good temperature. The bottom side coated. I'm going to leave the top side uncoated for now. Basically, I've got a few coats on here of the epoxy to seal it. Very good. And then I'm putting on the second layer. This was 3/4 inch, and I'm going to be putting in 1/2 inch on top of the floor here. Next, I'm putting in the 1/2 inch, and then I'm going to glue these two together. So the epoxy still needs one more coating on the top here anyways for the glue in between the two. So that's what's going to be coming next. And basically this 1/2 inch layer is going to go next, glued in, and the 1/2 inch layer is going to go across. So I'll have mixed green. Yeah, so that should stiffen it up quite a bit. And then on top of that, I'm going to be doing a fiberglass vinyl floor on the top, because I just want it to be more like a rubberized floor. So we'll see how that turns out. But for now, this is the cabin floor we laid down, and the underside is all nice and cold.